Guess what? I hired a cloud team for the price of my lunch. And you can do it too. A few months ago, my workflow was honestly a mess. It felt like I had 5 AI tools but zero actual help. Then I found Skywork, and this genuinely feels less like another AI tool and more like hiring an entire cloud team. And no, I'm not exaggerating. Give it a goal and it handles the entire workflow in the background. And the best part, instead of being locked into one AI model, Skywork lets you build your own AI dream team. You can use GPT 5.5 for creative work, Claude 4.7 for heavy coding, or Gemini 3.1 Pro for analyzing huge amounts of data. And if you don't want to choose manually every time, Skywork can automatically route the best model for whatever task you're working on. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how Skywork literally replaced hours of work for me. The first thing that shocked me was how everything happens inside one workspace. Normally with AI tools, you're jumping between apps constantly, but Skywork combines all of it together. Documents, slides, images, websites, sheets, videos, even podcasts. There are all kinds of different skills, from designer and writer to cold email writer and much more. And you can even create your own skills to keep reusing them. So instead of manually doing every little step, you basically manage it like a boss managing employees. So let me show you a real all-in-one example. Imagine you're launching a skincare brand in the UK market. Normally, planning this would take days. But inside Skywork, I literally type create a UK skincare market launch strategy targeting Gen Z customers. That's it. And then this thing started working. You can simply grab some coffee and have a nice snack while Skywork does the job for you. Once it stops generating, you will have everything you need under a single workflow. First, it generated a complete landing page for the brand, and not some ugly haphazardly thrown one either. I'm talking about a proper, modern landing page with a clean color palette, product showcases, FAQ section, contact section, everything actually looked polished and brand ready. But honestly, this next part impressed me the most. It created a complete Excel business package for me automatically. Not just one spreadsheet, multiple tabs. There was an influencer tracker, sales projections, launch timeline, budgeting plan, content calendar, competitor analysis, literally everything organized professionally. The craziest part is that I could simply download the entire thing as a real Excel file directly to my desktop. Then, on top of that, it also generated a detailed client-ready PowerPoint presentation with modern visuals and clean formatting. It didn't stop there. It even created a full content package with strategy guidelines, marketing angles, and multiple social media content concepts ready to post. However, one of the most futuristic things about Skywork is that you don't even have to sit at your computer to start a workflow. You can directly connect messaging apps like WhatsApp, Discord, Slack, Line, or even the Skywork app itself. For example, here I wanted to connect my WhatsApp. So I clicked on WhatsApp, scanned the QR code, and within seconds, it was connected. Now here's where things started feeling crazy. Imagine you're outside. Maybe you're having lunch, commuting somewhere, or just away from your desk. And suddenly you remember, oh wait, I still need to make that social media post. Normally you'd have to go home, open Canva, maybe Photoshop, start designing, but with Skywork, I can literally just open WhatsApp, send myself a message. For example, let's do something simple right now. I send create a social media post for Loom, a hydrating serum with the picture and caption ready. And boom, Skywork automatically receives the message and immediately starts working on the task in the background. Then later, when I come back home and open Skywork on my computer, there's already a complete project waiting for me. And honestly, the best part is that I don't need to open Canva or Photoshop anymore if I want to make changes. Everything can be edited directly inside Skywork itself. And this one was just a simple task. You can make Skywork do heavy processing work while sitting away from your office, so that when you come back home, you have your entire workflow ready. If you want to try it out yourself, check out Skywork AI using the link in the description and use the code for 20% off the annual plan. Stop doing all the heavy lifting yourself and let your AI workforce handle it for you.